made a decision last night that I would die for it. Just to show the city what it takes.
Today on the video, what we're going to discuss is what I've been seeing in MLM Forex is that a lot of people are dependent on the trade signals. A lot of people are going toward looking at these top leaders, these top traders, and giving them the answers to all their problems. Today, I'm going to show you how to actually apply yourself, how to actually trade for yourself, and create an income, and use the trade signals to create a substantial income for yourself. So let's go. First thing we're going to go over is price. And I'm not an artist, so you know. First thing we're gonna go over is price action. All right, so price action, that's the key. So with price action, this is gonna be the movement of the market. That's what you're not gonna be using any indicators really. The indicator is gonna be your technical analysis. So the first thing I'm gonna go over is support and resistance. So find my eraser. Okay, so with dealing with support and resistance, I do not trade on the 5 minute. I do not trade on the 15. I might trade on the 30, but we're really going to be looking at longer time frames. So it's going to be the hour chart, the 4 hour chart, the weekly, and the daily. So let's say we're looking at H1. So we're looking at the H1 chart, right? All right. So we're doing support and resistance. What I want you to do is, I want you to first turn your chart to the line chart. Go to the line chart, and that's gonna make all your candles are now gonna turn into lines, right? Okay. All right. So to do the support and resistance, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a line, make it a color. For this example, it's gonna be red, but, well, actually, let me change it. We are gonna change it to blue, okay? So on the line chart, you're gonna see, market moving like that because now you have changed your chart from candles to a line chart. So you're gonna take your line and everything that you see an area of retracement, you're gonna throw a horizontal line. So your chart is gonna look like this. See what I mean? So if your chart is looking like that, once you switch back to candles, these are going to be high areas of retracement. You'll be able to see what the market is actually doing. You'll be able to see your double bottoms, your double tops, anything that's going to help you be able to determine the next move, because the market is predictable. Some people say it's not, but it actually is. What you're going to be looking for on those support lines, once you have done this, erase this. Once you have done that, and you now have, let's say this is a candle. Once again, I'm not an artist. Let's say that's a wick, and let's say it goes above it. So let's say this is the support line. All right. Well, actually, your resistance line. Sorry. You now have confirmation. You have 3 touches, and let's say this. Okay, so let's say now that you have that resistance line, how you trade support and resistance, and this is going to be the same thing, and I'll draw another one. How you trade support and resistance is, this line is only confirmed when you have 3 touches. 3 touches. Okay? You have 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one counts, but I wouldn't go off of this one. I would watch it. The reason being that you will watch it only is because you don't want to excuse me, you don't want to get in the trade and then it keeps going. So let's say if it's news, FOMC or something like that, you don't want to trade that and then you blow your account and it, it spikes up real high, then drops. So for example, if it spikes up all the way up here, then drops, you probably get your account blown up doing that. So 1, 2, 3, then you can expect probably put you a stop loss, and then you can expect the market to potentially go down. So same thing dealing with this. So we got candles moving. So we got candles moving in, right? So we got candles moving in, and then we get that, we get that. And don't get caught up on the colors. Don't get caught up on the colors. I'm just making candles. We get that. Basically, all this is consolidation. We get that. Okay, so what you want to look for in this example is when candles close above the resistance is the support line. The top, write this out now. Top resistance. Top resistance. Bottom support. Okay. All right. So what you want to look for, if this is a support line, what you want to look for is candles closing above that line. So that would mean 1, kind of played around with it, came back up, dropped, played around with it. 2, and then you have, let's say you have a candle. I don't want to draw this. Let's say you have a hammer actually. So let's put a hammer here. For those who don't know what a hammer is, you might want to refer to pattern reversals and candlestick patterns. And you got a hammer here. So this counts as it closing above, because what happened, it dropped down, came back up, and it closed right there. So that means that this is a high level of support. So you can count on, switch my camera. You can count on, since this is not closing below the support line, you can count on possibly the market going up. And you'll be able to confirm stuff like this once you learn Fibonacci, once you learn supply and demand, things like that. Those will be in my next videos. This is not going to be a part of this video. I just want to make this real quick just to give a brief overview of what support and resistance is. And so you guys can start learning how to trade, learning how to do this yourself, and not always be dependent on trade signals, trade alerts, other people giving you random signals and stuff like that, and then blowing your accounts, and then you blame the next person for your account being blown. So hopefully this has helped you. If it has, like and comment below, and shoot me a message if you need any help or an additional training on support and resistance. I'll be glad to help you. All right, thank you for watching the video. My name is Leroy Stewart, and have a good day.